na Tuesday, March 8, 2016. And at the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV. This na As E Dey Hot, the Ogbonge politic discussion show when go carry every action thing when they happen inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Drop them down, open them, chook eye inside, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk am the way anything be you for body. So that those when they lead this country go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chukwuode. And as usual, we get one Ogbonge visitor inside studio. I go emphasize. And my brother when Sabu well as they concern the political matter. As E Dey Hot.
Yes, a beautiful Tuesday morning to our beautiful viewers when they watch us right now. Don't carry As E Dey Hot come again. And that day-to-day activity, that day-to-day program where they give now different information about the political activities where they play out in our country. Today we're not go different because we will look into an important issue where our past president Oga OBJ talk over the weekend when he's celebrating 79th birthday. We will look into that one. Also look at if true. What they talk, whether not true. We will also open our phone line start at least our callers go if you do it, contribute their own portals to this matter. My name never still change. My name now could be, and this now As E Dey Hot.
Our Ogbonge visitor na person when we say every time when we invite him, he go carry speed enter inside studio to join us. In a person when we say in passion for Nigeria, and the one we say we no fit quantify or qualify because if you see him, everything about him na Nigeria. I dey talk of no other than Professor Chris Chukwudumebi Nwokobia, aka Mustapha.
My pleasure to be here. We greet you all.
Prof, welcome.
Prof, you know the tradition when we get on top of
our people will salute on our
you know even let us even
No, don't need to remind
don't pay your body already.
I know now our show with you.
I know say your body don't they push you, so we no go waste time. We go just go straight into the topic for today. Everybody remember say yesterday when we tear up on Monday, we've been discussing one important event when we say our former president Chief Olusegun Obasanjo been celebrate as per say his 79th birthday. But that one not be the story because people they celebrate birthday every day. What happen be say he get one small thing when they organize before they begin to chop small chops, come drink mango juice for the birthday. They call that one human security, violent extremism and radicalization, seeking sustainable solutions. Now just small gathering where people come together to go and discuss some kind of issues. For that particular gathering, our former president stand up, he can clear in throat 3 times. As he clear in throat 3 times, he can talk say no one use microphone, talk this thing because it's the pain now. He can raise his voice high. Can talk say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission when they inside Obodo Nigeria, as them dey like this now, there be toothless bulldog. That is to say, they fit only back, they no fit bite. He can even carry and go further. He can point the person when we say the time when they institute the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, now he be the chairman that time, Oga Nuhu Ribadu. He talk say shebi Nuhu Ribadu dey here. Say he get the way when we say Nuhu Ribadu take carry EFCC that time. People can even they talk say the fear of Nuhu Ribadu is the beginning of wisdom. But now it just be like say the EFCC now only IGG that is initial gragra now he then get. Plenty Nigerians come out come talk say if person wey rule us for 8 years out of the past 16 years when we say this country don't experience uninterrupted democratic rule go come out talk say EFCC na toothless bulldog and we get oga president when we say he don't talk say this time around we go fight corruption pursue and come off our country. EFCC now be the major proponent where would they take fight corruption and former president don't talk say na toothless bulldog. Where will they go from here? Our Ogbonge visitor go join us analyze this particular issue, but in the end what we want carry come out from this talk na nothing but the truth. Prof, once again, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
My pleasure.
As he say, as I give that breakdown, your body you been dey vibrate. You won't talk, but I know say you been dey control yourself. So now we will give you the floor. But I go like make this talk follow one particular direction. Make I break them down like this. Former president will rule this country. Everybody knows say people get their own opinion, and if some people talk, they go all look say who be this person when they talking don't talk. But if former president, person will rule this country for 8 years, when we say he follow for the people when we say them pattern the way when this country they go now as we dey like this now, come out come talk say EFCC na toothless bulldog. Make we leave the messenger, make we look the message. Do you agree, true or false?
I don't agree at all.
Not even 1%.
I don't agree at all. For 3 reasons. If our former Oga President say EFCC under Ribadu fight corruption, I dey ask myself, how many political office holders then convict in 2 years? You know, now this government is just 9 months old. How many people then convict? That's point number one. Then point number two, if you ask yourself, Ribadu, now because of the way Ribadu take fight corruption, now make them this new word when we get for our lexicon, for our dictionary, selective witch hunt. Now that time it begin now, when they say no, only people when not like Oga Presido not like
exactly.
Nine Ribadu they pursue.
Exactly.
But make I ask you, because I like to take issue one by one. Make I ask you, you don't ever hear say former chief of defense staff go stay for prison, they wait for bail.
Nah, abomination.
You don't hear say people, the way that they take fight this corruption, because whether you like it or not, every effort at fighting corruption go start with gra-gra.
Very true.
Everywhere in the world. Because if you dey fight big fish, noise go there.
Exactly, because the fish
Ocean go
like
shake. Now, as we dey talk about this fight against corruption, I'm older by every standard, you know, than I was in under Obasanjo's rule. Are they more mature now? I know what happened that time. I know what happened now.
True.
Now, under Obasanjo tenure, people talk about Siemens scam. Now, under Obasanjo time, people talk about Halliburton scam.
Exactly.
Now, under Obasanjo time, for this country, people talk about rural electrification scam. That Ndudi Elumelu matter.
Not true.
Now, under Obasanjo time, we talk about $16 billion on energy.
Exactly.
Ribadu do not ask questions about all these things. And now make us, under this regime now, they talk about how to ask questions about these things. And don't forget, say now, under this regime, in 9 months, EFCC don't begin look into Halliburton. EFCC don't begin look at Siemens.
Won't be like something when they don't close
Won't
before.
be like matter when they don't close. So I believe, say, as we talk, so make we look. If we remove sentiments, call a spade by its name. Say lie na lie, truth na truth. And not fit say our former president lie. But waiting I fit talk, we say waiting in talk, not be so it be. Because we have seen we don't marry 2 wives. We marry EFCC as a wife under Ribadu.
Not true.
We they marry EFCC now as a wife under Magu.
True.
And we don't see how Magu, they work like somebody with angel of anti-corruption don't come in body. They pursue everybody. And as you and I, they talk now, people, they return money to government. You they hear them, everybody, they read them for paper. People, they return money. Ndukobeba make noise before, but you don't return money.
You don't return.
Waiting that they call the man from Kaduna, when they arrest from Kaduna State, when they say I'm be Oga Presido friend before.
When they say he collect money buy house.
He don't return money. People they return money. That shows that the fight against corruption, because under Obasanjo time, not only Abacha we hear say return money. Tafa Balogun money, we don't know how much you return.
Exactly.
We not say them send them.
But
So as I talk now, waiting the important be say before we begin, because like you talk, now the message, make we leave the message here. And I know say our former Oga Presido, I celebrate his birthday with him. I commend him for having been here, for having been the first person who hand over power from military to civilians. Come again, hand over power. I celebrate them. But when we talk about how to move Nigeria forward, the first thing we must do as a people, not to stay by the truth. Even the Christian Bible say, you shall know the truth, and the truth will set you free. Then the Quran, you know, the great prophet of the Islamic faith, peace be unto him, Prophet Muhammad. In other name, na Al-Amin, the honest one. You know, honesty, truth, na the way we go take move forward. So as I talk today, EFCC don't show us, say we go fit fight corruption and win the war against corruption. As we talk today, Mr. President don't tell us, say, if not only corruption be waiting to kill for this country, he go kill him. And let me tell you, that is a fundamental commitment of faith when go fit save this country.
True.
Okay, Prof, you mentioned when they analyze this thing, you emphasize on 3 major things. One of the major things where you first emphasize on now. So how many political officers were convicted under that particular era where OBJ did?
8 years.
Okay, fine. Make also look at if they talk say how many political this thing was initiated by him. Make also bear in mind say the same way Mangu they fight in own corruption. We say right now, it one day different from the way Oga Nuhu Ribadu take fight in own. When in day.
No, man, they fight everybody.
If they fight, okay.
They fight
fine.
people when
but,
they APC, they fight people when they PDP, if they fight people when they armed forces.
Okay, but
man, they fight everybody. Under Ribadu, now people when former president Obasanjo not get good situation, good relationship with.
Somebody like
Naim Ribadu fight.
Now, what do you think?
That's what I know.
Okay, maybe we look somebody people like Tafa Balogun we mentioned. Now you bring in Tafa Balogun into the system. Now you put on Asaji, and now you later do it in find out guilty of and say you do something. Can't send them go do it in. Wait, send them go jail. Now you also find that this person guilty. They will say all these things are not. No, it's not mere allegations. That's what we will say.
Who find Alemese guilty? Now,
but eventually, now
Tafa Balogun and Lucky Benedio later, now then find guilty. And
but
how much
the question I can't ask,
how much of our money they return?
Also mention,
as we they talk today, every day, people they return money when they steal.
But now you try talk, we say, if you look this era and also look this particular era, just like the same kind of drama they play out.
No, I not see the drama because I just tell you now, say every day you see them for paper. People they return money.
People they return money. Same way they seize properties that time.
I will not see. Name how many people return money under Obasanjo. That's
but
point
properties
number one.
were seized.
The only person when they return him money na Abacha because he don't die. Now people they are alive, they return money, they return property.
Okay, people they return money.
That is the issue that we cannot take away from this regime. And now because our president say I must kill corruption.
But it goes beyond returning money. Because she notice it go there appropriate for us to see.
Now step by step. Now step by step. As me and you they talk now, people they go court. Yesterday, me and somebody they talk for my house. I asked them, say, oh boy, as we did so for this country, if they tell you, say, a former chief of defense staff go Kuje prison, go they stay with Okada people inside the same prison, you go believe him? He say, whether now for bail application or not, say him for not believe him. Say they forgive and bail on self-recognition that day gongo. But now the difference is clear. This regime say no, we must kill corruption. Because if we not kill corruption, let me tell you, Nkubi, all these stories when we talk now, people go talk about economic policy. If you bring the best economic policy, you not kill corruption. The people when go manage and go steal the money again.
So, Prof, what you try to talk, the fight against corruption right now.
To win the fight against corruption.
The fight against corruption for you right now, from your own way they stand, say, would they really fight them?
Make I shock you.
Even when people they collect money from people, people still take their houses.
Make I shock you. Even Uche Secondos, when he come out of EFCC detention, what did he talk? He's saying not against the fight against corruption, but make government they take people go court quick. Say they accept, say there is a renewed fight against corruption. Now PDP people they talk so. Make I shock you again. How many days ago, Kashamu, you not see Buruji Kashamu for TV. They talk say anybody when they say this regime not they do well against in the fight against corruption, na lie. We know say in the one look whether government go look inside with pity. But the truth be say, even those who hate this government know say government they fight corruption. Now why if you see them now, they know they talk say government not they fight corruption. Waiting that they talk we say as witch government hunt. They fight corruption, not even the witch hunt matter now. As government they fight corruption, make them they fix economy too. You see them now? They accept say government they fight corruption. Even the blind man know. So when our former Oga Presido say EFCC don't become toothless bulldog, I just laugh. As in Pekin, because I've been Pekin and he knows I've been Pekin. As in Pekin, I say make Oga former Presido OBJ realize that this country they grow. Not be only one man know pass everybody. Not be only one man love Nigeria pass everybody. Not be only one man care for Nigeria pass everybody. All of us are custodians of this Nigerian project. And some of us fit die for Nigeria, like intake fight for the war. So when we they assess government, make we they give government some benefit of the doubt. This is just 9 months of a 4-year traffic, a 4 years race. 9 months we don't put, this government they put people for inside prison when Nigerians not believe say them enter prison. When the matter finish, you go see say we will get conviction. Government go get, EFCC go convict people. You go see them.
Okay.
Because the truth be say the time has come for us to reshape our country, remodel our country and make our country better. And I believe say God on the side of the Nigerian project, God on the side of the Nigerian people, this fight against corruption not go only get recovered money, it go get people when it go send go prison, so that our children will have monuments of reference and monuments of deterrence.
Okay, okay, don't talk am. The major thing is say make we just dey look out for this government. I think say they go convict people because in the end, the major thing where Nigerians go on to the hear is say look, okay, we don't hear say they fight corruption. Just like say the drama surrounding fighting corruption. Now something we just they do 10, just the river around that. So in the end, if we no see people, then they no send people to jail. Waiting be the whole essence. But you don't talk and prof. Make we dey wait. We still
the journey they clear now. As me and you they talk, let me give you another instance. As me and you they talk here, ask your friends or your brothers when they work for government. Talk to them. You go see say fear against corruption. Fight against corruption. Don't catch every sector. First, there are 3 ways to the fight against corruption. Changing the way people they do business and approach government. Is the government not achieving that? Be frank. Then the second one, recovering our money and convicting people when they corrupt. Is the government not getting back the money? The second leg will follow. Then the third, reworking a collective conscience. See, whether we like it or not, it is obvious that things are over 3 when I talk now. Government don't score 2.5. The second, the half will be getting these big people when don't steal our money, make them go sleep for some time for prison. And that will come. The government don't talk, say, plea bargaining, they not go allow them the way people they think, say, that they allow them before. If you steal our money, you return them, you go still go jail. I believe, say, the time don't come for us to wake up to the reality of the now. Say, the government when we get, one of its major policy, not to kill corruption. And I tell you, Nkubi, whether you bring the best economic policy or not, if you do not kill corruption, the new economic policy will also go down the drain like the people will run before. Because I see people, they talk, say, Jonathan get better ministers, Obasanjo get better ministers. But what did they do with our $140 per barrel oil money? Where the money? Now corruption, they take still land.
Very true.
So as we there now, what we need to do now to clean the audience table, make the journey better for us, ensure that the fight against corruption is strong, that there's a new moral regime in leadership. If we get all that one together, you sure can bet that you will have a better Nigeria.
Prof, make we come from this particular angle because it go good, make we, if we know say we don't already, we feel disagree with what the former president don't talk, but what he don't talk already, he don't establish him. And it go dey very good, make we try as much as we fit to identify those things when we say, in the end, we go look back, talk, say, he talk this thing, he make mistake with this talk because we don't achieve one particular thing. Now, if former president talk, say, the EFCC, now toothless bulldog, perhaps he get waiting he see when we say he make him talk this particular thing. And maybe the things when he don't see now, no different from what happen under maybe Ibrahim Lamode or Farida Waziri. I don't know why he use Oganu Uriba to do example because like you don't talk, Oganu Uriba, if we check the conviction rate of EFCC at the time when we say the chairman.
Only 419 people Oganu Uriba convict now. And politicians are big people for him. So if he chase them, he go leave them. If he chase them, he go leave them. What thing would they talk about? I'm not there against every effort to make EFCC work harder. I am in support of every effort to make EFCC work better. But to begin call EFCC as a day-to-day toothless bulldog, maybe na wild wolf or mad elephant or mad lion, I may want. Because as we talk now, even Nigerian people, they say, make EFCC take them easy. Make EFCC take them easy. So which one we want follow now? EFCC, they do their work. One person say na toothless bulldog. The other people, they say EFCC, they overdo. So where we go follow? I think that the time has come for us to accept the reality of it now. Say, since this government come, EFCC don't wake up. And since this government come, because whether you like it or not, Timothy Silva, not be APC.
Na APC.
Before this government come, you know, say the matters against them for court. EFCC don't drop them before. But when this government come, now this government, under this government, when him be APC member, now he resurrect the matter, take and go court again.
But they don't drop him.
You know, no, they never drop him. They never drop the matter.
For such courts,
certain issues when still depending against him in court. Yes.
But why then he can't contest? You not supposed in the first place.
No, the law does not say that if you're standing trial, you cannot contest. Make we not make wrong. It is the law says if you're a convict, if you're an ex-convict, you cannot contest. Even for a certain period, if now issue about corruption until after 10 years, you know, Timothy Silva has not been convicted by any court of law, you know. So these are fundamental issues because when we talk sentiments, it get the way we go to look at. Because for me, if this country is at peace, if this country is progressive, if this country is growing, it go dey good for me and you. Some of these problems when we get everywhere, not forget that corruption is at the core of Boko Haram. Not forget that corruption is at the core of the bad roads when you get everywhere. You know, because when people they talk about, oh, make them fix the economy, make them fix the economy. Corruption, if you know the kind of money when Nigeria make between 1999 and 2015, you go begin cry.
Very true. Prof.
If you know the way they steal that kind of money, you go begin cry.
Prof,
so
we
every
continue
effort to fix this economy now,
when
the
we go
first leg of it now anti-corruption.
We know say the talk they sweet well, especially when it get to do with issue about Nigeria and the truth. But we'll go quick rush, enter this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with the EFCC, the fight against corruption, the talk where former President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo talk, and waiting be the truth. No go anywhere. Now Wazobia Max, now Wazobia TV, and as it hurt.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry